And this is our second time here. We're with a large group of people, and I think everyone's been here multiple times.
If it wasn't for the being with a large group of people, we'd probably get 3 or 4, maybe 5 times.
Yeah.
It's that good.
Yeah, it's that good. So I just ordered the margarita pizza, because once I like something, I just reorder it. And a Blue Moon, and what'd you get?
Well, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like pasta pockets with veal and Parmesan. It's really good. Last time we were here, I had 2 of them, so now I just ordered 2 more. So it's gonna be, I can't wait. It's really that good. The calzones are good too, though, but this, I don't know what you call it. I have to look at the menu.
Yeah. Veal pizza pockets is what we're calling
Pizza
them.
pockets?
Yeah,
Pasta pockets.
Pasta pockets.
Yeah.
At a pizza place.
Yeah, they're
Awesome.
really good. Really good.
All right, we'll be back when our food gets here.
All right, 2 pasta pockets and a margarita pizza. So far, it looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, I'm super excited. I want you to turn the camera off so I can dig in.
All right. So I just learned something. Get these pasta pockets, but you can also order bread, dip in there.
Which wasn't on the menu, you just asked for it, right?
Right.
Okay.
It's amazing. So get the rolls. They're worth it.
So I told you this place is good. I told you this margarita pizza is good. Our middle daughter, showed up unexpected and is here and ordering the same thing as well. So, random. You'll just find any of the raspberries here in Alfredo's at any time.
You got to get 2 of the pasta pockets. You're gonna get this. Get 2. Stuff like that.